Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add image to Replit in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on replit.com. Then you just have to basically click on the option of projects. In the projects, you are going to see all of the projects that you have previously created. So among the given projects, you just have to select that particular project where you want to add an image. So after selecting the project, you are going to see this type of page in front of you. Now over here, you can add the image via HTML website, Python application, game project, or JavaScript project. So on the left hand section of the Replit workspace, you just have to simply locate the file panel, and this is where your project files and the folders are stored. Now after selecting the file, you just have to simply right click three dots and then simply choose upload a file or add a file. Then you can add the supported image formats, which usually in the PNG, JPG, JPEG, GIF, or SVG. So that's how you can basically add it very easily. You can also ask Replit in order to generate the image that is specific, so it can also do that. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.